Hello friends, myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over a topic named photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is very popular, very known. Almost all among us are very familiar with this word photosynthesis. Plants and trees, green plants and trees do their nutrition through the process of photosynthesis. It means nutrition in trees and plant are happened by the process of photosynthesis. It means plants and trees, green plants and trees prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. In other words, we can say that photosynthesis is a process through which plants and trees prepare their food for survival of life on this earth. So, photosynthesis is one of the most needful process for the trees, plants and trees for their survival on this earth. Now, we should know the process of photosynthesis and what the raw materials are required in process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis generally occur in green plants or in green leaves. The green plants contain a number of green leaves and the leaves contain stomata, tiny holes. Lots of the tiny holes are found in green leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata, and through the stomata they exchange the gases. The green leaves also contain the chlorophyll, due to which its color are green. So the trees or plants absorb the water and minerals from the earth, CO2 from the atmosphere and heat from the sunlight. By getting all these things, they do the process. That process is known as photosynthesis, prepare their food. Since the trees and plant contain the two kinds of the tissue, that is xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Xylem tissue absorb the water and minerals from the earth and get reached to the green leaves, and the prepared food in form of the glucose or fructose are carried out to different parts of the plants by the phloem tissue. So, in process of photosynthesis, the raw materials are water and mineral that has been absorbed from the earth, CO2 that are taken from the atmosphere, and the heat which are taken from the sunlight. So photosynthesis always occurs in presence of sunlight, and the growth, development and strongness of a tree totally depends on the process of photosynthesis. So higher the process of photosynthesis, higher the growth, development and strongness occurs in plant. The big trees like peepal, banyan trees, mango trees and some other trees do higher the process of photosynthesis. It means they contain lots of the bigger and wide leaves, and the photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis occurs in green leaves. So the ratio of the amount of the process of photosynthesis gets higher and higher in these kinds of the trees. So their growth, development and strongness are higher and higher. Photosynthesis is get affected by some of the factors, or we can say a few factors can affect the process of photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis occur during the daytime or in presence of sunlight. So photosynthesis does not occur at night or in cloudy weather. If during the daytime a sky is covered with the cloud, no sunlight get reach to the green leaves, so no photosynthesis process occurs there. So cloudy weather, night, temperature affect the process of photosynthesis too much. We can say that if there is a sunny day with the clear sunlight, photosynthesis occur very rapidly, and during the whole day till the sun appears in the sky, for the process of photosynthesis keeps going on. So during the daytime the green plants and trees prepare their food, and that food is used in growth of the plants and trees, and the food which is not used or excess of foods which are escaped, which are remaining rest, that is stored in form of the fruits and flowers. Photosynthesis is one of the most needful process, not only in development, strongness, growth in plants and trees, but also needful to get balance the ratio of carbon dioxide and oxygen in atmosphere. Due to photosynthesis, we get the fresh oxygen, or indirectly our survival of life also depend on the process of photosynthesis. If there is a lack of photosynthesis, it means there is a lack of oxygen. In chemically, we can say that the raw material like 6H2O, 6 molecules of water plus 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, along with sunlight in form of the heat, produced 6 molecules of oxygen which we take in breathing, and 1 molecule of glucose or fructose. It means 6H2O plus 6 CO2 plus sunlight produce 6 O2 plus sugar, glucose or fructose C6H12O6. So the oxygen or the fresh oxygen, in other words we can say, can be obtained through the process of photosynthesis. Stomata, which are the tiny holes found in the green leaves, exchange these gases. It allows CO2 from atmosphere to go in, and it also allows oxygen to go out. That oxygen come out from the process of photosynthesis and go and mix into the atmosphere. So the process of photosynthesis balance the ratio of CO2 and oxygen in atmosphere. Higher the process of photosynthesis, higher the growth, strongness and development occurs in plant, or the balance of atmosphere, balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere are also highly balanced. So we can say that photosynthesis is the natural process which continuously occurs during the daytime in presence of sunlight, which are not needful only for plant but also for all living body on this earth. I think some idea about the photosynthesis can be obtained from this video, but if you are watching the video and if you want to know something more on some other topics, send me through comment. If you like it, subscribe it by pressing the bell button. I shall try my best to add all those topics selected by you in details, discussed over it in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.